The March Saddle Up subscription box has arrived, so let's go ahead and see what we got this month with the Lone Star kind of mystery box. We'll go ahead and open it up. I'm going to put it off to the side so we don't get too much of a sneak peek. The first thing they always give you is your order form. And the first disc we have, it is, I believe, a Frio. That's what the rim feels like. It is a Frio. And I believe this is the new Lima plastic that they have. It is a little bit more like the Bravo, so it's flexy. And man, I love the color of that. That one is probably definitely going in the bag. 152 grams. That's roughly like 20 to 25 grams less than the normal one I throw. Very flat top. I like it. The next thing is, oh, it's a shirt. So it is a penny putter. So I'm guessing we're going to be getting a penny putter. Nothing on the back, but feels nice and soft. And so pretty cool design as well. The next thing is a penny putter, and this is in the Founders plastic. Yeah, definitely a penny putter. I do throw the penny putter. I like the kind of bluish green look, and has a really cool stamp. That is a triple color stamp, so that's pretty neat. They are doing a lot of things, and if you look close, it might be hard to see. It is actually a shimmer color too, so it's kind of a blue-green base with kind of a almost goldish shimmer. That's pretty nifty. And a water bottle kind of thing. That's pretty cool. I've not seen that one yet. Guess you can fill it up with whatever you want. Shake it up. If you want to put some Gatorade or something in the pouch. 500 milliliters, which I don't know what that equals. Probably 16 ounce, like a water bottle. See if there's anything else in there. And there's a sticker as well. So this will probably go back on the sticker wall. Oh, it didn't work. But so far, pretty awesome package. We have the sticker. We have the water bottle, 2 disc. We got that penny putter in the Founders plastic, and we have the Frio in the Lima Bravo kind of blended plastic. Excited to throw that and the putter, and a t-shirt. Thank you guys so much for watching. As of now, these are still available, so go ahead and head over to lonestar.com and pick up your own saddle box subscription. And one new thing, you can type in Mark Confer and click apply and save 10% on almost all of the discs available at lonestar.com. Your help by liking and commenting really does help grow my channel so I can do more videos like this. Thank you guys so much. Hope you have a great day. And again, thank you for watching.